In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to add a tool access card to your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap the Wallet and Apple Pay. On the Wallet and Apple Pay page, you'll see a list of cards currently connected to your Apple Wallet. Tap on Add Card to begin adding a new card. You will now see an option that says Scan or Add Card. Have your door access card physically available. Tap on Scan or Add Card and hold your card in view of the camera to scan it. If scanning doesn't work or the card isn't recognized, tap on Enter Card Details manually. Input the card name and number if available on your door access card. Manual entry is useful for cards with visible printed numbers. Once the card is scanned or entered, follow any on-screen instructions. Your Door access card should now be added to your iPhone and available in your Apple Wallet. And that's it. You have now successfully added your Door access card to your iPhone. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.